This is a real support forum. 300 members, 9 months of conversation, running on bbPress the way a lot of WordPress sites still do. And it works. Sort of. Let me show you 3 things on this page that are quietly costing this community members. Here's a feature request with 14 replies. 11 of them just say +1. Nobody can tell if this is the most wanted feature or just the loudest thread. There's no way to sort by what people actually want. And here's a bug report, 19 replies long. The actual answer is reply 14. Everyone who lands here from Google reads 13 wrong answers first. None of this is bbPress being run badly. It's bbPress doing exactly what it was built to do in 2011, store messages in a list. So let's move it. Jetonomy is a free plugin and it has a bbPress importer built in. You pick bbPress, you click Start Import, and it carries across your forums, your topics, your replies, your attachments, and your members. Nothing is deleted. bbPress stays exactly where it is until you decide to switch it off. Same forum, same threads, same people. But now it knows what it is. It reads properly on a phone, it picks up your theme's colors on its own, and those questions nobody ever answered are not buried at the bottom of a list anymore. There's a filter for exactly that. Remember the bug report where the answer was reply 14? This space is a question and answer space now. Someone marks the reply that actually solved it and it moves to the top. So the next person who finds this from a search gets the answer first, not 13th. Your best support content stops being a scroll and starts being a knowledge base you didn't have to write. And the +1 thread. This space is an ideas board now. People vote instead of replying, so you can sort by what your community actually wants, not by who posted most recently. The same request that had 11 +1s now has 16 votes, and you can see that at a glance. And every idea has a status, planned, in progress, shipped, which means is this on the roadmap stops arriving in your inbox because the roadmap is right there. Your members can see exactly where the request stands without asking you. Now the part bbPress was never going to do. With Jetonomy Pro, you can put a space behind a plan. Someone who isn't a member doesn't hit a dead end. They're told which plan opens it and given a link to buy it. They pay, the space unlocks, and there's nothing for you to sync by hand. Everything else you've seen today is in the free plugin, including the importer. If you're running bbPress, you can try this on a staging copy this afternoon without touching your live forum.